Hello, Joe Hansen with CRP again. Today I want to talk to you about a new product line for Rein Automotive, oil pan kits. While there are plenty of people who can sell you an oil pan, at Rein Automotive we want to help you with the whole job by offering you a complete solution that helps you steer clear of headaches and downtime. This kit is a great example. It fits many BMWs with 6-cylinder engines from 2007 to 2013 and includes everything needed to do the job: the pan, the gasket, the drain plug, and even the torque to yield bolts, which are not reusable. Trust me on this one. Everything in these kits is available by ordering just a single SKU. We've done the research and worked with all of our suppliers to bring you these solutions, and we're very proud of the fact that these kits not only help you replace the oil pan, but also help you save time and reduce headaches that could happen if a gasket isn't available when you're ready to do the job, or in this case, if the one-time use bolts aren't sent with the pan. Our initial offering includes solutions for Audi VW, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo applications. So be on the lookout the next time you've got to change a pan on a European car. If you have a question about these new oil pan kits, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any product announcements like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.